Hi, my name is Gabriel with Hurricane. This is Dorian, my right man hand, and we're gonna get ready to do a dryer vent cleaning. So we're gonna show you the steps how to do it. So first we grab the brush. We're gonna rotate it to the pipe. As we see, we have debris. Ready? All right, go ahead. We're good. So you notice as we spin it, we make sure we break all the debris that is stuck in the pipe. Sometimes it's bird nest. So this is how you do it. That's it. The rest could be done by hand up there. Are you all set? Cover back. And that's the process. Hi, again, this is Gabriel from Hurricane, and this is Dorian right here. So we're gonna go ahead and show you the way we clean a duct. In this case, this is a return. So first of all, we take the screws down. This vent has been here 20 years. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and brush the return. So we use this piece right here. Go ahead and put it on, and then we're going to spin. So after we push it all the way, then we bring it back. So now we put the vent back. So that's how we do it at every house. The vent is clean. Hi again, this is Gabriel with Hurricane Group, and I have Dorian with me. He has the other end of the cable. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we clean the connection boxes. So first we open to access it, cut the insulation, then we cut the metal round, and as you can see, there are the ducts that we're going to clean. So we stick in the cable, brush, stick it in, then we're going to go ahead and spin it. Okay. So that's how we clean the ducts here from the box. Then after that, we continue throughout the box, around the box. All right, so after that we do the rest by hand.